Hello fellow fish nerds and happy freezing cold Friday to you. I know I would normally be making a Friday video, but as you can see, there is snow on the ground, and in Richmond, that equals a snow day. I am currently at Belle Isle on the James River. James River is right behind me. It's a little quieter over here in this neck of the woods. But anyways, snow day. Well, therefore I'm not in my classroom today. Or yesterday actually, and so I couldn't get any video of my fry that I have there. I do have some guppy fry, and I have a few epistogrum and cockatoity fry left over at my house, but that's really boring to see the one or two that are still living, and I don't think I have any new fry out of that breeding pair yet. So I'm bringing you a freezing cold Friday video because it's currently about 23 degrees Fahrenheit, which it's been below freezing for the past 2 weeks in Richmond, and which is really strange. And the stranger part is that I heard from some people that the James River was actually frozen in some places. So came to Belle Isle with a friend and had to check it out. Got some pictures of it. I'll post it on my Instagram. But I mean, I lived in Richmond area all my life, and I have never seen the James River freeze over. I have seen it flood. It flooded in the early 90s, and that's why they built the flood wall. But anyways, I have never seen it freeze over. So I had to come see that, which two strange things happened today. First off, I came to downtown Richmond, which those of you that know me well know that I hate driving in downtown Richmond. And second off, the James River froze over. You might notice my added attire here. First off, gloves, because on this hand, on my camera hand, it's pretty cold and exposed to the cold. Got a nice neck warmer slash double chin hider. That way, actually, you can't see any of my chins this way. It's been nice whenever the wind blows, and nice thick jacket on, dressing in layers. Nice jacket and my hat here. I know I don't usually advertise or mention brands because I say I'm not a walking billboard unless they want to pay me, but in the link below this video I do have an affiliate link to Carhartt because that is a brand I do firmly believe in. And this is a very well made jacket. I mean, it's 23 and my torso is plenty warm. This is a very thin hat, as you can see, and my head is still plenty warm. Probably from all the thinking that's going on up there. But anyways, they make some nice quality stuff. So if you're looking to stay warm, and I mean, it's not thick, and it's great because whenever I go inside in this jacket, I'm not burning up. Am I warm? Yes, but I'm not burning up. So anyways, that's why I didn't actually hide the logo in the video. And this is actually one brand that I will not cover up with duct tape whenever I go to school. As my students know and like to make fun of the fact that I like to cover up brands because I say I'm not a walking billboard, because I will not advertise for them unless they start to pay me. And there you see in the background, well, in the call box, there's Richmond right there behind me. But it's been pretty nice. Hasn't been a lot of people. It's been a few people, a few dogs. It's been pretty cool to see animal tracks in the snow. Seeing some bird tracks. Let's see if I can get some. There's some dog tracks right there. People do bring their dogs here. There's some bird tracks right there. I did see some pretty good bird tracks earlier. But anyways, let's see if I can see some. There's a bike track. It's a pretty cool area to ride your bike in. Lots of historical stuff here on Belle Isle in Richmond, but it's really crazy. I don't see any more bird tracks. Lots of dogs, but I hear the birds. Anyways, hope you all are staying warm, those of you on the East Coast, because snowstorm came, kind of put us all out for a little bit, but that's what wintertime does. Anyways, let's see what else. Oh, I know those of you up in Canada, like Rob Hicks Aquariums, and who else? Down the Wormhole and Fish Tropic and Captain Spicy. I know you all are probably laughing at me right now, like, oh, it's only 23 Fahrenheit. Oh, you only have an inch or two on the ground. You're acting like it's cold. Hey, we aren't used to this. And if you see the pictures on my Instagram of the river frozen over, you're like, oh, welcome to, December through March. But like I said, lived here all my life, never seen it. I'm sure it's happened like once or twice in my 34 years, but I've never seen it. So it's pretty cool to see. There's a squirrel track, I think, but I just thought I'd share this experience with you all. I'm gonna try and keep the video going until I get up to the river's edge here. Here's some more. That's actually not very historical. There's some more historical stuff on the other side. Ooh, this hand is cold. It's been so cold that it's been hard to swipe the camera portion of the phone to turn on. Gosh, I know I saw some pretty cool bird tracks. Oh, no, that's deer? No, that's not deer. That's birds. There we go. There's some bird tracks. A deer. Come on. Way too small to be deer. Yeah, those definitely bird tracks. Not the same birds as I was seeing earlier, but oh my gosh, my index finger is freezing cold. Anyways, I'm gonna end this right up here at the end of our walk with a frozen shot of the James River and part of the Richmond skyline, I guess you would say. Not the most popular part of the Richmond skyline, but still part of the skyline. And then I'll finally start to warm my hand back up. We're also back in the wind over here now that we're more exposed to the wind. All right, I gotta put this hand in my pocket. Ooh, it's cold. Luckily now the wind's flying on our backs. But another important thing to note for my students that might still be watching this, the background, it's the sun is down pretty low. It's just after 3 o'clock when I'm filming this, about 3:15 or so, and the sun is staying lower during the day in the southern sky, which it's fine. The days are getting longer now. It's after December 21st, 22nd. Finally, it's starting to get longer again because of the tilt of the Earth. Right now, the southern hemisphere is pointed towards the sun, and the northern hemisphere, which is where we are, is pointed away from the sun. Therefore, our days are much shorter, and whereas in places like Australia, where the Sipple lives, and Chaz, who lives in Peru, it's currently their summertime. So happy summertime to you all. I figured I'd share that quick science lesson with my students. But I'm gonna end this right here. Finally got to a good vantage point to show you the frozen James River behind me, and a bunch of other buildings behind me. But look how yeah, that's not frozen right there, but right there is frozen, and a little bit further up is frozen. It's just crazy. People have been posting on Facebook that whoever it was that ticked off Elsa needs to apologize. Frozen, way frozen over. Hello. views on James River and the Richmond skyline. But it's probably going to shut off on me again, so I better hurry up and go ahead and close this up. But anyways, you stay tuned, stay warm, and stay fishy, people. I'll see you all later. Be sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment.